MAC HVAC Service and Repair provides fast and dependable emergency AC repair in Pottstown, PA, helping restore comfort when your cooling system fails unexpectedly. A broken air conditioner during hot weather can quickly become stressful, which is why our experienced technicians respond promptly to diagnose and repair the issue. We service all major AC brands and handle problems such as refrigerant leaks, frozen coils, compressor failures, and electrical issues. Our goal is to restore efficient cooling and prevent further damage to your system. Trust MAC HVAC Service and Repair for reliable emergency AC repair in Pottstown, PA, whenever you need urgent cooling service. Contact MAC HVAC Service and Repair to learn more about our services. Are you looking for an emergency AC repair near me? You can stop looking. You found MAC HVAC Service and Repair, who provides emergency AC repair in Pottstown, PA. MAC HVAC Service and Repair provides fast and reliable emergency AC repair in Pottstown, PA for homeowners and businesses dealing with sudden cooling system failures. During hot summer weather, losing air conditioning can quickly become uncomfortable and even unsafe. What qualifies as an emergency AC repair? An emergency AC repair in Pottstown, PA usually involves situations where your air conditioning system stops working completely or creates unsafe indoor conditions during extreme heat. What is your emergency AC repair in Pottstown, PA? Our emergency AC repair has served Pottstown, Earlville, Weavertown, Amityville, Douglasville, Unionville, Stowe, Bucktown, Pewtown, Ludwig's Corner, Gilbertsville, New Hanover, Fagleysville, Limerick, Linfield, Kenilworth, Parker Ford, Spring City, Royersford, Graterford, Pennsylvania. Where is the MAC HVAC Service and Repair office located? We are located at 927 East High Street, Pottstown, Pennsylvania 19464. Our phone number is 610-672-3052. Visit our website, https://peachmushfots.com/air duct cleaning service Pottstown PA/.